So our answer will be what? It will be C. Similarly, if we want to find out the position for this given dot, so we'll observe how many figures it is capturing. That means this dot is inside a square and a triangle, but not inside of a circle. That means we have to find out the condition or part which will cover only these two figures. Should be some part or maybe the whole part should be overlapped, but this circle should not be allowed in that. So if you will go through with the first one, you will see that it is in the A option. A option only we can get if you put a dot here. If I put, that means in the whole this part I can put a dot. I put the dot, so it is, this dot is covering only two figures, that is a square and a triangle. So this is satisfying for my condition. So our answer will be A. Similarly, come for the question number third, that will be this dot. Again, the dot is placed inside a square, circle, but not in a triangle. So if you want to find a place where you will put the dot, so it will only cover the two figure, that is square and a circle. It should not be cover square and circle, it should not be cover to the triangle. So if you will go through with the all given option, we just have to find out a place where should be only these two figures should be come. So if you observe carefully, you will know that from the option A, B and C you are not getting the such condition. But if you come in the position of D, so here it is a place. If I put the dot here, so this dot only cover a circle part, some part of circle. That means it is inside a circle and it is also inside a square, but it is not inside the triangle. So our answer will be what? It will be D. Similarly, for the question number 4, now with this dot we will try, we'll find the which condition satisfying exactly for this dot. That means first of all we have to check this dot should be inside a square and a triangle also and a circle also. That means we have to find out a condition where we put the dot, so it will cover all the three figures. So it is not possible for the first, because this square and this triangle is not overlapping, not even a some part of its overlapping. So it is not possible for the first one. But in the third one, if you will see, so you will see that in the third one there are some triangle, circle and square. All the three parts are overlapping. That means we can take a dot here. So our answer will be what? B will be our answer.